How to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos in your gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Chats in here. After you click on Chats, you will find this option, which is Media Visibility. Simply turn it off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. After it's turned off, you're good to go. It will stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos in your gallery. And this is how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos in your gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.